Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, BVF Collection, back at it again, as you already know, with another unwrapping video. Today's unwrapping video, in this envelope here, we got ourselves a OG 2017 red on red Massacre shorts in a size medium. Very cracked from what I can remember from the pictures, but yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, we're just gonna use the good old-fashioned coin claw to rip it open. Currently on a Saturday. This was supposed to be coming in on next Monday, but Christmas came early type thing, you know. Let's try not to cut the actual product, so let's be careful cutting this here. Now, I am looking in person for this cutting part, so it might not look as good on camera. But trust me, after this part, I got you guys with strictly a beautiful POV. Coin claw has done its job. Thank you very much, Coin claw. And there it is, the red on red. I can see some Revenge logos already. It's pretty cool. Now, I don't own these already, so this is a nice little addition to the collection. Let's go ahead and open it up. So right off rip, you can already tell it's all faded and stuff. But yeah, you can see Revenge logos all throughout. Really cracked though. But in person, like, okay, you can see it right now in video. You can see all the Revenge logos. But in a lot of lightings, it's really hard to see all the Revenge logos. But yeah, like right now, it's hard to see. But when I do this, you guys can see it. Okay, let's go ahead and check the back. Same thing. Oh, you guys can see the stitching right there. That's how you know it's legit. We got ourselves the tag. Medium black tag. Very nice, very nice. Oh, the champion logo. Forgot to show that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Does it have a... Yeah, it does have a drawstring. Very cool, very nice. They did redrop these in the 2024, like, X-Birthday drop. But not on a champion blank. Only the OGs were on this blank. Another couple things for you. There's a pocket there, and here's a pocket here. Nothing, no back pockets, but yeah. Yeah, you guys can see it, right? Like, you can't really see the logos. I can't even see the logos on the back, I'm not gonna lie. But the front I can see the logos a little more. Actually, no, it's... Even like laying down in person right there, I can't see it. But when I do this, then I can see them. Very cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you already know, Bad Vibes Forever Collection, signing off. Peace!